How to get a free trial of Pallyy. This is Matt, and Pallyy, the popular social media scheduling tool. First things first, well, I'm right here on this page, but first things first, if you want to get that free trial, I do have an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. Click my link and you'll find yourself on this page or a very similar page, depending on how Pallyy change their pages over time. So you can see right here at the top there is a start free trial button. There's one in the top right as well. So very simple, you're just going to click on that blue button, start free trial, and now we get this very simple sign up, try Pallyy. Importantly, there's no credit card required. They're not going to take any kind of payment or billing information, any bank details, anything like that, and you can cancel it at any time. It doesn't say how long the trial is currently. The trial does change. Sometimes it's longer, sometimes it's shorter, but there is nearly always a free trial on. So click that link, check it out. It's risk-free. You don't have to enter your credit card or banking information, anything like that. You can see if the platform is for you. If it is, you can stick around, get a paid plan, but there's no pressure there. You can stick around on the free plan with some restrictions. So hopefully you found this video on getting that free trial with Pallyy useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.